nothing eyadalwa uNkulunkulu egulayo. There's nothing eyadalwa uNkulunkulu enephutha kuyona. Everything that was created by God is perfect. Uma sithi igazi likaJesu laletha ukuphila, sisho ukuthi even the hidden sicknesses, laletha ukuphila. You guys, I feel like we do not understand ukuthi yes, siyafunda ukuthi uJesu wathatha umhlabathi wahlanganisa namathe wagcoba umuntu wayengaboni emehlweni, wasethi akahambe ukugeza, wabese yabona emehlweni. Uyezwa, siya understand ukuthi owesifazane unesifo somopho wathinta umphetho wengubo yakhe. The Bible even says, even Apostle Paul, when he was preaching to isithunzi sakhe, the people, the congregation eyimlandela meke nje bahlangana nesithunzi sakhe ogulayo wayephila. Like, I want us to understand indaba yegazi elikhuluma ukuphila.